really solid one-piece hood. But you're going to take a bit of grinding, do a little bit of filling. That I'm not worried about. So here you see I finally got the hood to where it's open. It was attached here the whole time with the idea that I would do this kind of opening. And it works pretty good, as you can see. One of the things I wanted to point out was the hinges that I designed. And that is the square tube of the hood goes into this round tube fastened to the frame. And that square tube, when the hood is this direction, will slip out to take the hood off. But when it's shut, it's captured in there so it can't go anywhere. One of my goofy ideas. I'm having a little bit of a problem getting the hood, but I'll get it. Right now. It's not setting where I want it to set here, but I'll figure it out. So we're a bit further than we were before. As soon as I get that set on there right, I got to fill in these fenders and make a pad between them to rest on it. So there'll be a flat piece inside there and here, and I'll put a gasket cushion there so that it's all riding on a pad, like the cowl. So this will have a plate in here and a plate there. Now, that's as far as I got right now. Hopefully I'll get further soon. They start to come together. Liking
it. You can say, if you want, you could talk about the coiled catch for the.
Oh yeah, right now these straps are temporary. I just got to do the finger bolt. What I'm going to do is you can buy coiled up cables, and typically I guess they're for locking up bicycles or something. But anyhow, they're a real small coil, and they'll stretch out to maybe 18, 24 inches, but then they snap right back. Well, I'm going to connect one of them right here and up in the hood so that it'll stretch out, hold the hood. When I shut the hood, it'll coil back up and stay in place and not end up somewhere in the wrong place. So I got to go get those and put them in. And getting this fitment done, and we're ready to continue on. I think the next thing I'm going to do is, it may sound obscure, but I think I'm going to make these corners here. The corners will be one piece. Give me my start for the side of the car that way and that way. So that's coming up next. I've kind of pre-cut the pieces, and after their shape, come around. So that'll start giving a better look of what's going to play out to be.